Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
How would you like a done-for-you system that works, ready to start today? With full training including a professional members area, for what is in a nutshell a business in a box. A money-making solution that's perfect for stone-cold newbies, perfect for seasoned marketers too. But most importantly, perfect if you just want to actually make some money online. We've tested it, we've tweaked it, we've nailed it, and now we're almost giving it away, but just for the next few days. Hey, it's Trevor here, and just like to say first of all a massive thank you to you for taking the time to check out this offer that we've got for you here today. It's the Done For You Prodigy, which is the next in a long line of Prodigy offers that we've released, all of which are aimed at helping you to genuinely make money online. Now, the reason that we put these together is quite simply because we've all been where you are. Myself, Fergal and Max have all tried to make money online and have failed miserably, but we didn't give up. We just carried on trying. And over the last few years, we've done over $5 million worth of sales between us because we didn't give up. We've also learned a hell of a lot during that period. But one of the things we have learned is that many of you just simply don't have the time to learn something new. You don't have the time to commit a few hours a day to learn a new skill to try and make money online. So we thought, what if we could put together a package that's done for you, ready to go, based on proven offers and systems that genuinely make money. Instantly, after buying this, you'll get full access to the members area of Done For You Prodigy, and in there you're going to find a whole range of different ways that we're going to pretty much force you to make money based on what we know works. So this is going to include 5 full funnels that you get guaranteed approval to promote, plus you get a commission bump to 75%, plus you get done for you follow-up emails to make sure that you push the sales through. That's how we're literally going to force you to make money. That's just part of it. We've also got 2 offers, 2 award-winning, massive selling, high converting offers that we're going to give you giveaway rights to. And what that means is you get to give away These high quality products that have been launched and done thousands of sales, you get to give them away for free. So you can offer them as a bonus. All they do is they click on the buy button and it says $0.00. When they buy it, they've gone through your affiliate link. So then if they buy any of the upgrades, you get paid commissions. All right, we've got 2 of those. Now, you can imagine it's not difficult to give away quality products for free. So this is a fantastic way to start earning money extremely quickly. Now inside the Done For You Prodigy, we're also going to provide you with a whole range of done for you assets to make making money online so much easier for you, along with training to help you along the way. So if you're sick and tired of picking up all the shiny objects, and if you've probably got to that stage maybe where you're thinking, oh, do you know what, that's it, I'm done, no more, never again, just consider this one. I promise you won't be disappointed. We're 3 decent guys who just want to see your success. So go ahead, click on the Add to Cart button now, pick up Done For You Prodigy, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care. So if you'd like to avoid years of trial and error and thousands of wasted dollars, I'd say you need this. Look, if you can copy and paste, you got this. We're including award-winning bonuses you can give away to explode your affiliate commissions. And you're going to get 5 done-for-you funnels with a whopping 75% commissions and guaranteed approval, complete with a ridiculously high converting email follow-up series to force money into your account. You also get giveaway rights to 2 high converting offers. You give them away, then bank the upgrade commissions. And that's just the beginning. And during the launch, this is at a heavily discounted price, but we will put the price up after the launch. So make sure you grab it now. Click on the Add to Cart button for instant access to the whole system, and let's start making some money.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.